I have 30 minutes to deal with this makeup mess. Let's get going. All right, we've got everything cleaned up and I put away the makeup from my drawer from the last few weeks because I haven't done this in a while. And now we have a totally reset drawer for the upcoming week. So let's go through it. I kind of rearranged my compartments here. This first compartment is going to be like my face prep and tools. So I have the label peeled off. This is the Milani Clean Slate Prep Step. It's like a facial mist that you're supposed to do before your moisturizer. I've been enjoying it for like some extra hydration in the mornings, so it's been quite nice. I've been enjoying it. I don't know if it's doing a whole lot, but it feels nice. So, and then I'm using the Revolution Vitamin Base, which is very, very similar texture-wise to the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, except this does not have that lemony scent that the Bobbi Brown does. So if you don't like that lemony scent, I would recommend checking this out. I got mine on Amazon. I'd been wanting to get it for a while and finally added it to my cart, and I'm so glad I did. I've been really enjoying it. It's very moisturizing, plays really well under makeup. And then I just have my lash curler, couple of sharpeners, tweezers, lash comb, so those, you know, necessary items in that compartment. All right, then here is my complexion area. So we've got the Tier makeup setting spray. I've been enjoying this. It has a very fine mister. It definitely helps with longevity and staying power. Then I pulled out my CoverGirl Advanced Radiance powder. I love this powder. It's so nice and so affordable. For primer, we are having a really unusually cool day today in Kansas City, which I'm almost cold. That's why I'm wearing a sweatshirt. But you know, we went from it being so humid that I'd walk outside sweating to now it's like raining and cold. So it's definitely a shock of temperature, but we're gonna get hot again. So I pulled out the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Primer so that if I do feel like wearing face products that day, I won't melt completely. This will really help. For my color corrector, I am working through the Bobbi Brown Under Eye Corrector. Mine is in Light Bisque. Works really well for canceling out those under eye dark circles. For concealer on top of that, I have the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I really enjoyed this. This is the second one of these that I've used. Very light, very hydrating, but good coverage concealer. I really like this. And then if I do want to wear foundation, I am wearing this today actually. It's the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour foundation, and mine is in 0.3 skin tone fair, undertone neutral, and this works really well for me. All right, then over here are my eye things. So my Ulta Beauty eye primer, I am so close to using that up. I'm really working through it. For brows, I'm working through my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is in 2.5. And then I'm using the ABH Clear Brow Gel, classic. For liners, I have from NYX the Epic Ink Liner in brown and in black, depending on what I want to do that day. And for mascara, I've pulled in my Flower Beauty Dream Warrior mascara. And then for the lower lashes, the Maybelline Lash Discovery Mini Brush Waterproof mascara. And then for my like crease blending shade, I am on the verge of completely using up the Creme Brulee shade, Wet n Wild. I do have a backup of this, but I'm so close. There's a little piece bopping around in there, and then there's a little bit still hanging on in the corner. So I imagine this will be gone in just a matter of days. Finally, I've been working through that for months. So I'm so happy that that's almost done, ready to be done with that one. Really proud of myself for using it up. All right, and then up here I have my face powder and cream products, and then the eye palettes that I want to use for the week. So for bronzer, I pulled in my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, my Laura Geller highlight in French Vanilla. I just got powder all over that. This is a little mini sample size that I have. Maybe not a sample size, but it's a mini. And then for blush, I just recently picked up this Cheekers from CoverGirl. This is in Classic Pink, really pretty, bright pink. So it's blush for the week and bronzer. And then I do like to have a cream option, so I pulled in my Westman Atelier, like contour bronzer in Biscuit, along with the Westman Atelier blush in Pop It. Very bright pink, like magenta, really pretty. leaning into these bright summer colors. And then for highlight, the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I love this. And for my eye palettes this week, I pulled in the Wonder Beauty in Neutral eyeshadow palette. Really, really beautiful eyeshadow palette. I hope that the lighting is doing it justice. I've got kind of funny lighting today with that rain. But really beautiful neutral palette. You can get this on Amazon or the Wonder Beauty site. I got mine on Amazon and it often goes on sale there. And then I also pulled in my Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette. I have not been able to play with this enough. So it's not exactly summery. However, I love the mattes in Huda and I thought I could get some really nice looks out of this palette. So between the deeper, grungier palette and the neutral palette, I think I'm set for success with the eyes. So that is everything in the drawer for the upcoming week. I'm excited to play with all of this. Really happy to have clean brushes, a clean workstation, and just clean slate ready for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed and this gives you inspiration to tidy up your vanity, and I hope you have a great week. Bye guys.